Hey besties, I am back like I never left. Let's get into it. In today's video, I'm going to be completing my September monthly budget overview. I'm completing it kind of early. I did not complete my budget overview or any budgets for the month of August. August was a little bit not like I intended it to go, but the goal is to get back on track. So thank you to everybody who has reached out to me and was like, look, we don't care what's going on, you need to get back on the tube and get this budget going. So I am completing my September budget overview, and in my September budget overview, usually what I do is complete my full calendar of all of my bills and any expenses, any entertainment, or anything that's happening in the month of September that will most likely cause me to spend any money. So I am going to be using my stickers to decorate my spread. And if you are here for the very first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures. And here on my channel, we talk about all things finance. We talk about budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, etc. And yeah, so I encourage you to subscribe if you'd like. So I am using these stickers from Isis Ella Jewels, and I'll leave her information linked down below. But I'm going to be using this spread this month, which is I Don't Play With My Energy. And it says Bloom From Within. I'm really excited about this month. It is my birthday month. Yay! So my goal is to really get my ish together in September. You know, it's just been a lot going on, and I don't want to, you know, bore you guys with all of that on this video, but I will be, you know, kind of doing like a, I will be doing like a, what is it, like a, oh my goodness, Lord, I can't talk. I will be talking to you guys soon about, you know, what's kind of going on, but I'm gonna take a little bit of time to go ahead and decorate my spread, and then we'll be back to write out all of my bills. So this is my spread. I hope that you guys like it. I mean, it's a little festive. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to take my bill tracker and I am going to write in all of my bills for the month.
Above the water, finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a...
Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the actual budget for the month of September. So I have my normal bills in black, and then any bill that I have that's in green, this is an annual bill or an annual expense that I'm required to take care of. So we'll go in order. On the first, I have my normal bills due: mortgage, HOA, Sirius XM radio, pest control, normal stuff. And then my first credit card is due. That's a minimum payment of $210. My internet cable is due on the 3rd. Security is due on the 3rd. And then we go down to electric. My electric bill is like $200 and something. August was a different kind of month, so that's why it's a lot more this month, but this should be going down in the month of October. I should see a major decrease in that. Water bill is, I think my water bill is due. Now it could be because it could be that it hasn't posted yet, but I checked and it says that I don't have anything due, but I think that I will. So I'm going to keep checking, especially when it's time to actually do the full budget. I'm going to check to see if the water bill is due, but it should be due because the last time I paid it was July. So it should be due in September. It's due every other month. And then my second credit card is due. That's a minimum payment of $316. Yeah, we're going to talk about this credit card is killing me. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. My birthday is on the 15th. So exciting. I have my life insurance due, tax bill, gym due. Yeah, so I'm really excited, you know, that I will be making another year on this earth. And then car registration is on the 18th. Not really sure how much it is. I'm surprised that I haven't gotten it yet. Usually I would have gotten it like by now. So hopefully it comes soon, and hopefully it's not for that much, but it's normally due on the 18th. And then on the 20th, I have credit card number 3 that's due. It's $169.13. Credit card number 4, I did check and it's not, the minimum payment is not listed yet, but I think it's only going to be like $29 or something like that. This is actually going to be the very first credit card that we will be paying off, or I will be paying off. And I'm actually going to use September as the starter month to me starting my debt-free journey. Again, I know I was supposed to start it like a few times, but I've been... yeah, y'all just wait for that video. Anyway, September the 22nd, credit card number 5. Not really sure how much that is. Nothing's listed yet. But then the Prime membership, I do have Prime. There was a time when I did pay for Prime every single month. And then a couple of the besties was like, hey, it's a cheaper deal if you just do it annually. So I switched to annual, I think like 2 years ago. So I've been paying it annually, and I think I do like that better. So I pay the $139 on the 22nd. And then let's see, solar bill is due on the 28th. Gas, these are like utility bills. And then credit card number 6 is due on the 30th. Not really sure how much that is because the bill is not out as of yet. So this is pretty much an overview for the month of September. I still will complete my budgets, my paycheck budgets every time I get a paycheck. So I will know exactly, you know, what I need to pay, etc. So now we're gonna go over my priorities for the month of September, and I will tell you, I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of stuff there because here in July I just had so many priorities. Like, it was just so much stuff and I'm struggling. So really, honestly, my priority is to complete both budgets. And increase side hustle income. That's it. That's it. Now, however I do that, that's how I need to do it. But, you know, I'll talk to you guys in more detail, but yeah, it's time for me to get going. But yeah, so that is my only goal for this month. I'm really I just need to put consistency. You know, my goal is to be consistent. That's really my goal. But I don't want to overwhelm myself with a whole bunch of stuff that I need to do for this month, because I just don't need to do that. So one of the things that I forgot to do was put down my paydays. But basically, I'm paid on the 15th and the 30th. The 15th, I'm paid on the 15th and the last day of the month. So let me just go ahead and put my payday stickers down. And then I'm also paid by YouTube as well. Yeah, so it'll be this month, the 15th and the 30th, which is when I will be paid. And really this is really like the same thing. Like my top 3 priorities are to, I guess I can write it down here: budget, increase side hustle income, and to be consistent. That is my goal for the month of September, is to never give up. You know, never, ever, ever give up. I don't care how many times you have to start again, never give up. Because if you give up, you're done. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I just really wanted to get a good head start on my budget for September. I didn't want to put it off. I just was like, go ahead and do it. And like I said, we'll talk soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned in. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Go be great, besties. And remember, discipline today, freedom tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.